Hi, thanks for showing an interest in our Resilience at Work program. One of the things that I'm reminded of is my own experience with burning out at work. And what happened to me is that I cared so much about the work, so much about my clients, that I just kept giving more and more of myself to the work. It took me a long time to realize that the cost of being great at your job can never be you. If you give up you, there's just nothing left. And just to show you a little tool that you'll learn in the program to help to kind of make the point and give you something that you can use just from watching this video, all I want you to do is take your hands and put them together and press them together with some force, hard. All right, you're done. Now this time what I want you to do is put your hands together, press them together hard again, but this time like your life depends upon it. Like really hard, like you really mean it. Oh. The difference between those two levels of effort, the first one and the second one, where hopefully you tried harder, is this thing I'm going to call discretionary effort. Discretionary effort is this extra level of effort that you can throw at any task whenever you want to. So the question is, could you put that maximum level of effort into every task at work all the time? If you did, what would happen? You'd burn out. So at work, every day, all day, and even in your home life, you're making decisions about where to throw that work. And what we want to do in this program is to help you to realize that if you use your maximum level of discretionary effort all the time at work, you're going to find that there's nothing left for you or for anybody who cares about you. So what we're going to show you in the program is things like positive psychology, which is often linked to resilience. But the thing that's often missed in resilience training is really the true benefit of being able to learn how to say no in a way where people feel like you're saying yes. To be able to prioritize your work, to be able to set boundaries in the way that you work inside and outside work. So that you aren't just working on the inside of you as most resilience programs work on, but rather you're actually working on the things that are a threat to your resilience at work. The people who have the hardest problem maintaining balance, as we call it in work, and having resilience in work are people like me who are very passionate about the work and really care about the clients. And if that's you, I highly recommend you come to our program and learn how you can still produce everything you want to produce at work, but do it in a way where there's lots left over for you and for other people at the end of the day. Thanks very much. Take care.